Hey Valley Middle, welcome back to another math video. Today we're going to look at how you express decimals as percentages. It's a straightforward target and you're going to like this one because it is easy. Here we go. Starting off with something fun, our trivia question of the day. What was Play-Doh originally designed to do? It wasn't designed as a toy. Alright, let's get down to the target. Officially today it is 4.7c. I can write decimals as percentages. Let's do this thing. Alright. Yesterday I shared my Rice Krispie bar with Miss Carruthers. She ate 0.88 of the bar, leaving me only 0.12 of the bar. And I almost lost a finger getting that much. Express these two numbers as decimals. She ate 0.88. I ate 0.12. So it adds up to be 100%. It's really straightforward. 0.88 is 88%. 0.12 is 12%. And that's all there is to it. You just move in the decimal a couple of spots, and that's how easy it is. Let's get to a couple of must-know vocabulary words for the day here. First of all, a decimal. A decimal, then, is a fraction whose denominator is a multiple of 10, and whose numerator is represented by the digits to the right of the decimal point. That's complicated, but just remember, 0.12 equals 12 100ths. 0.122 equals 122 1,000ths. Remember how you put a 0 under each digit, throw a 1 in front of the whole mess? All right, take a look at these examples over here. 0.99 is 99%, 0.33, 33%, and 0.17 is 17%. To be successful, all you basically have to do is put a mustache on Mr. Zen's, just like this. All right, enough fun and games. Actually, there's two easy steps. And the little mustache on Mr. Zen's really isn't that far off from how you do it. Here it is. Here's your example. 0.72. You just move the decimal 2 spots to the right. 1, 2. Add a percentage sign. Slam bam. Thank you, ma'am. Now, the decimal is still there. But we just don't usually express it that way. It's a whole number, a percentage. We only express it like that if it's like 72.5%, which is 72.5%. In this case, it isn't, so you can drop it and you're done. All right, look at another example, just a little more complicated. This is what happens when you have a 0 in the decimal. So let's say you have 0.09. Again, move it 2 spots to the right, 1, 2, and you got 9%. It's just that simple. You just kind of drop that original 9. If you want to put it in there, you could, but you don't necessarily have to. 9%. Here's another example with 0 in the second digit spot. You got 0.80. Move it 2 spots to the right. Leave the 0 this time and you got 80%. Just very common sense stuff. I think this is the easiest of all these targets that we've done where we have to express decimals as fractions or percentage and move back and forth between them. This is the easiest of them all. And it's a nice way to, I think it's our last one too. All right, watch the way it works when there are more than 2 digits in the decimal. And I made this ridiculously large decimal, which is basically 0.99. But look how I did it. I just moved it 2 spots, 1, 2, and that's where my decimal would be. 99.123456789%. All right, or 0.99.1%. That's usually the way we'd express it. We'd usually round it to the first digit or the second digit, whatever people want. If you want to round to the second digit, it would be 99.12%. Okay? I got another example here. What if it's in the second spot? You got that. You got a 0 now in the middle, and you got 3 decimals. Same thing. Move the decimal spot 2 spots to the right. 1, 2, 60.5%. That's it. You ready to try some on your own? I thought so. It's a really straightforward target. Here we go. Express these 3 numbers, and I've thrown in a couple of zeros there to try to trick you. Express these 3 numbers as percentages. All right, let's see how you did. Okay. Did you move your decimals like I did? And here would be your answers then. You didn't put 23%, 7%, 70.4%. It's that simple. All right, let's get to the ticket. Express these decimals then as percentages. All right, just make the mustache, as I like to call it. All right, let's get to the trivia question of the day. What was Play-Doh originally designed to do? All right, these are these miscellaneous facts I like to provide you with so that you can share them with your parents at dinner tonight. Instead of telling your parents to say, what did you learn today at school? Instead of saying something like, well, I learned all about decimals and expressing them as percentages, you're going to say, I don't remember anything, but I know why Play-Doh was originally made. All right, here's the answer. It was originally designed as a wall cleaner. Can you believe it? Look at the money they've made. Why can't I invent a wall cleaner that kids want to play with? This is a picture of something I wanted desperately as a child and I never got. It was the Fuzzy Pumper Barber Shop. Look at, you put Play-Doh in. See this kid, he's turning this crank. You put the guy on the chair. It would make hair grow out like a chia pet. And the girl is over here. She's cutting it and trimming it and all that stuff. It's kind of cool, huh? All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and know something about Play-Doh, decimals, and percentages. See ya.